Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a fun interactive card with you. So I have this Spellbinders large die of the month. So I'm just running this through my die cutting machine. So for this die you're going to need to use a couple of pieces. So what I'm doing here, I'm just securing both these tabs down with some washi tape. And that first piece I've cut, I've placed under the die, and I'm just running it through again, and it will make this pop-up part in that part of the card. And now I'm using this piece that looks like a large tag, so I'm just running that through my die cutting machine, and then we need to do one more cut, which is this large square. And after this I'll have 3 pieces of card, which is what we need to use to put together the interactive card. So next I'm taking this first piece, and I've got these Time for Tea stencils, Tropic Like It's Hot, and I'm just using my distress ink just to add some colour, and I've also got my Time for Tea Designs beautiful blender brush. So here I'm just applying the first layer, so I've got this nice yellow colour, and then I'm going to go in and use like a light brown colour, and I'm just placing my stencil here, and I'm just going to use some washi tape just to secure this down so it doesn't move about while I go over this with the ink. And now I'm just going over that stencil with the light brown ink, and I wanted this card to have a nice autumn feel, and I thought this stencil was perfect for that. So that's the first part of the card that's ready, and now I'm just working on the other 2 pieces. So I've used exactly the same colour inks for both pieces, and now they're all ink blended. You'll see this little fold here. I'm just adhering some double-sided tape to this because this is the part that I need to be careful when I'm lining it up. So when you pull this piece up, you just want to make sure that it's straight and not wonky. So now I've got some foam tape, and I'm just applying this around the edges and being really careful not to touch that piece in the middle. Otherwise the interactive part of the card won't work if there's foam tape touching it, so that needs to move freely. So now they're all placed down, I've removed the tape, and I'm just carefully placing the front piece on top, and here you'll be able to see how these cards work together. So that's the tag part, and when you pull it up it reveals the middle part. So now I've got these Mama Elephant stamps, and I'm going to be just stamping the greetings on my card, and you can do this piece before you put the card together. So once my stamping's done, when that tag is pushed down you won't see the thank you for everything greeting. So now I'm going ahead and I'm just working on my colouring. So I've got these Magengo stamps. This is the Autumn Mood stamp set, so I'm just going to quickly go ahead and colour these in, and I will list all the Copics down in the description box if you're interested. So now the colouring's complete and I've cut out all the little critters. I'm just going ahead and adhering some of the images down and deciding where to place them on the card. So this card, as I said, when you pull the flap up, that little bit in the middle will pop up. So I'm just trying to get everything stuck nicely and making sure that I don't touch that folded part in the middle, as it wouldn't bend and then the card just wouldn't work. So just be careful when you're doing that. So these little acorns are from the same die, they're from the Spellbinders Club kit. So I've just gone ahead and die cut some acorns, and now I'm just folding through some twine on that little tag so it's easier to pull this interactive part up. And now I'm just going ahead and adding all them little acorns to the card. I think they look really sweet. So this is the card once it's finished. You pull the tag up and then it reveals your message inside. And it's also easy to write a little note in there as well, or you could use the back piece of the card. So there we go, the card's all complete. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye.